Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So here we go with another video. On this one here is going to be a series of 3 videos because I have 3 worksheets on this here, and that is conversions of units worksheet 1, 2, and 3. Today we're going to be doing conversions of units worksheet 1. That is what you see before you right now. So we're going to be working on this one here. So in order to do this, we are going to be using the metric system here. And so you're going to be, the metric system is the best system. It's unfortunate that the United States is one of the only industrialized countries in the world that does not use the metric system. That is not smart. So we should convert to that. So here are the directions. Convert all the number and unit combinations into the units requested using the conversions chart. Well, first of all, what is the conversions chart? We got to figure out what that is. So we're going to place that right here on our piece of paper here, and then we're going to take advantage of that. So this is the conversions chart. So let me zoom on out here just a little bit here so that we can see the entirety of the conversions chart. And here we go. This is perfect. So let's dump a couple of these here on here as paperweights. So we've got this covered. So this is the conversions chart. Okay, so here we go. It says the most used units can be memorized by the mnemonic device. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, and which corresponds to kilo, hecto, deca, base unit, deci, centi, and milli. And that is right here. That is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. All right. So I've added some other ones on here just for your pleasure. And that is micro as well, and also mega on the top end. Okay, so the base unit is very important. Okay, that base unit can either be M for meters, G for grams, or L for liters. Those are the possibilities. Sorry about that, folks. We almost got hit by a train, as you can hear. So hopefully you are safe now. Good. Excellent. All right, so this base unit, what I've done is I've used meters for a mass, meters for a length, grams for a mass, and liters for a volume. So I've used 3 different types of units here, and that will give you a good reference to work with. So meters length, grams for mass, liters volume. All right, and that all emanates here from this central point here, which is the base unit. That's what we're doing right here. All right. By the way, you are watching the Crazy Hat Chemist, and if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up on this video if you learned something. And in fact, you should like and subscribe if you have ever thought that the United States should go to the metric system. So if you think that the United States should turn to the metric system instead of the imperial system, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up on this video. That's right, folks. All right. So this is a metric conversions chart. This is chart number 2. I think chart number 1 was thrown away. All right, so here we go. I'm going to give you 2 examples here. So example number one, I'm going to take 5 grams, and I am going to convert those grams into milligrams. So I have my base unit is grams, so I'm going to take grams right here, and I'm going to go to milligrams. So what we're going to do is step down 1, 2, 3 places. So that means that we are going to take the decimal of where it's located, which is right here, and step down 3 places. We moved 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So that'll be 1, 2, 3 places to the right. This is my new placement of my decimal. That will be a 0. That will be a 0. That will be a 0. So 5 grams will have been converted to 5,000 milligrams. That would be an example of stepping down on this staircase. I'm going to give you another example going in the opposite direction. I'm going to take 5 grams and then convert that to kilograms. So I'm going to go from grams, that's a base unit, all the way up to kilograms. And so I'm going to now step up. So I'm starting with grams. I'm going to go up 1, up 2, up 3 places. And so I'm going to follow that as well. Here is my decimal. I'm going to go up 1, up 2, up 3 places. This is my new decimal now. And so I'm going to replace these with zeros. So my new number would be 0.005, and that's kilograms. Okay, do you see how easy this is? This is so much easier than doing a conversion between inches and feet, because that conversion is not a base unit of 10. The beautiful thing about the metric system is that it is a base unit of 10, and that is the beautiful thing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this chart right here. We're going to be going down the stairs, moving the decimal to the right, up the stairs, moving the decimal to the left. It's really simple as long as you have this. And don't forget about King Henry. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I mean, really, there are worse ways to die than by drinking chocolate milk. I could only imagine, right? Tar and feathering or drawing quartering, those would be worse ways to die than by drinking chocolate milk. I suppose. I don't really know. So here we go. Let's give this a try. So I'm going to pull this away here. So this is still here on our piece of paper here. And what we are going to do is we are going to do these particular problems right here. So I'll zoom in on this and hopefully that will help out here where we need to go. All right. So let's kind of zoom in on each one of these problems and we can complete this here. So we got the conversions of units worksheet number 1. We're going to convert 56 centimeters to meters. So what we're going to do is we're going to write down our number of 56 and we're going to find centimeters and we're going to go to meters. So where is centimeters on this chart here? Okay, so let's make sure we got a good zooming of this whole thing here. So let's see if we can get this in focus. Seems like a little out of focus, folks. There we go. All right, perfect. So we're going to go from centimeters to meters. Here is centimeters and here is meters. So we're going to start at centimeters. We're going to go up 1, up 2 places. That's up and to the left. So here is our decimal right here. We're going to move it 1, 2 places to the left. That's our new decimal. So 0.56 centimeters has been converted to 56 centimeters have been converted to 0.56 meters. Perfect. That looks great. Let's do our next one. We have 70 meters. We're going to convert it to centimeters. We have 70 meters. There's meters. We're going to convert that to centimeters. So we're going to start here at the base unit of meters and go 1, 2 places to the right. And that's down and to the right. So we're going to take our decimal that's right here and we're going to place this 2 places to the right. That's 1, 2. There's our new decimal. So we're going to replace these with 0. So that would be 7,000 centimeters. So 70 meters is equal to 77,000 centimeters. Let's try our next one. That is going to be 900 liters. We're going to convert that to deciliters. So 900 liters, that's our base unit, and we're going to convert it to deciliters. So we're going to take this and move it 1 step down to the right. 1 step down to the right. 1 step down to the right. There's our decimal. 1 step down to the right. And then there we go. So now we will have 9,000 deciliters. Okay, perfect. You guys are following along just fine here. So now we have 50 centiliters and we're going to convert that to liters. So centiliters, and we're going to go to liters. So there's the centi, there's the liters. We're going to go up 1, 2 places to the left. So there's our 50, and we're going to go up 2 places to the left. There's our decimal, 1, 2 to the left. 0.50 liters is now our new set of units and number. All right. Then we're going to convert 100,000. If I only had 100,000 subscribers, huh? So maybe you can, be a subscriber. Anyways, 100,000 grams to kilograms. So 100,000 grams to kilograms. There's grams, there's kilograms. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So I'm going to take my number where my decimal is in 3 places to the left. That's 1, 2, 3 places to the left. There's my new decimal. I will now have 100 kilograms as my answer. Perfect. Do you notice how simple this is? I'm not multiplying by 12, dividing by 12, multiplying or dividing by 2.54 or anything like that. This is really easy, and this is the wonderful thing about the metric system. Okay, we have done 5 problems. We have 15 more to go. So we have a total of 20 problems on this worksheet. So hopefully you can hang on and work with this here. So this next one is we're going to take 4 hectograms. So that's 4 hectograms, and we're going to go to centigrams. So where is hecto? There is hecto, and we're going to go to centigrams. That's what we're looking to do here. So we're at hecto. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So there's our decimal, and we're going to move this 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. We're going to replace these with zeros. There we go. There's our comma. So this is 40,000 centigrams. Perfect. All right. Now we have this next one here is going to be DAG to MG. Do you see that there's the G, there's the G? We are looking for that, okay? And so we're going to that decagrams into the milligrams. So decagrams to milligrams. So we're going to write down our number here. That's 0.0005. And we're going to go from decagrams to milligrams. All right. So perfect. Let's do that. Decagrams is right here, and then milligrams is right down here. So deca, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So that will be 5 milligrams. Perfect. Awesome. You guys are hanging on, doing very well. We're going to go from milliliters to centiliters. So we're going to write down 0.01 milliliters to centiliters. We got milliliters to centiliters. So we're going to go from milli to centi. That's up to the left 1 spot. Up to the left 1 spot. There we go. So 0.001 centiliters. Perfect. All right. The next one here, we got, oh my gosh, we got a huge number here, almost close to the number of subscribers that I have. That's right. So millimeters to kilometers. So millimeters to kilometers. So millimeters is right here. Kilometers is way up over here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. My goodness, 6 to the left. Here's my decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. This will be 200 kilometers. All right. 200 million millimeters to 200 kilometers. Piece of cake. Next one is 0.0001 kilograms. And that's going to go to milligrams. So kilograms to milligrams. So kilograms right here to milligrams there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. I'm going to replace these with zeros. And so we will have 100 milligrams. Perfect. All right. We're halfway done, by the way. So you know, keep on holding on. We are only halfway done, but yet we are halfway done. So let's keep on going. So we've got now this next one, we have 100,000 micrograms to grams. So micro is down here at the bottom here. So let's slide this on up. Here's micro, and we're going to go to grams. That's the base unit. So we're going to start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up and to the left. 6 up and to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.1 grams. Perfect. Our next number here, 0.0001 And let's count the number of zeros here to make sure that I don't mess this up here. So 0.0000002 kilograms to centigrams. So we've got our chart here, and we've got kilograms to centigrams. So kilo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. So let's see if we can move that 5 to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 0.02 centigrams. Perfect. All right, let's do the next one here. That is 0.500 liters to centiliters. So we've got liters to centiliters. They're centiliters. So we've got base unit of 1, 2 to the right. So let's do that. 1, 2 to the right. So that will be 50 centiliters. All right, you guys are on a roll. We are almost done, really. Not too bad here, hopefully. This next one here, 0.004 meters to centimeters. We've got meters to centimeters, so that's going to be 1, 2 to the right. So we've got 1, 2 to the right. That's 0.4 centimeters. All right, fantastic. Let's do the next one. Decagrams to milligrams. Decagrams to milligrams. So deca is right here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So 4 to the right. So we have 300, and we're going to take that and go 4 to the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Let's replace these with zeros, and that's a comma, and that's a comma. So 3 million milligrams. Perfect. The next one here is 0.05 kiloliters to deciliters. So kiloliters, that's right here, to deciliters, that's right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Let's see if we can do that one here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Replace these with zeros, and we will have 500 deciliters, excuse me. All right. I think we only have 4 more to go, folks. So that's not too bad. So we've got 0.08 decaliters to centiliters. Decaliters to centiliters. That's deca to centa. So that's 1, 2, 3 to the right. 3 to the right. It's 1, 2, 3 to the right. That's a 0 right there. That will be 80 centiliters. All right, perfect. We have 300 centigrams to hectograms. Centa to hecto. So centi is right there. Hecto is right there. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 4 to the left. There's our decimal. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. That's a 0. That's our new decimal, 0.03 Hg, hectograms. All right, next one, 500,000 centigrams to megagrams. So centa to mega. Let's see if we can fit this all on here. There we go. We got centa to mega. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. Yes, we don't have these labels, but you do have to take those steps. That's 8 to the left. So here's our decimal, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left, and we're going to have 0.005 megagrams. All right, next one here, a 0.0003 grams to micrograms. So grams to micrograms. So we're going to have to slide our chart over here. We're going to go from grams to micrograms. So grams is right here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So 6 to the right. That will be here, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. Replace these with zeros. I'll have 300 micrograms. Perfect. All right. And we have just finished this. So let's give a quick little overview of everything to make sure that everything is good here. And so I'll place this metric conversions flow chart right here. So you have that entirety. Okay. And you can see as you go down, you go move the decimal to the right. As you move up the staircase, you move the decimal to the left. And we have done 20 problems here. And here's all of the 20 problems. In the red is the final answer. In the blue is what you started off with. So again, if you learned something on this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Greatly appreciate that. Looking for that 3 million subscribers one of these days. I'm sure it will happen. All right, better than watching cat videos. And I'll see you later. Talk to you later. Bye for now.